Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Grace Lifestyle. Okay, so in this video today, we are at Michael's, so let's take a look to see what they have, guys. Come on with me. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and show you all their home decor items. I'm so excited. I'll see you at the end. So now just a quick reminder that I'm going to be posting the calendar of collaborations for January of 2024. And you don't want to miss that, guys. So it's over at the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And I'm going to try to go ahead and post that here on Simply Grace Lifestyle. So just look out for it, guys. Now, I may as well go ahead and remind you of the collaborations that are running this week. So today at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have quick and easy meals. It's every Sunday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, it's Christmas Eve. What are you guys serving? Videotape it, upload your video, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Let's move on to the next one. Now remember that Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this Tuesday we don't have no guests and it's freestyle. So I can't wait to see your tablescapes. Can't wait to see you there, guys. Okay, now I do want to mention there is a new collaboration for Friday, December 29 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, this collaboration is called A Time of New Beginnings, and this is for the new year. So what are you guys thinking about changing for the new year? What are your wishes? What are your prayers? What would you like to see change or come through? I cannot wait to hear. So again, it is freestyle. You could do whatever it is you want. How are you celebrating the new year? Let's see what we all have to show on that day. So it's December, once again, December 29 at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is this Friday. And again, it's freestyle. And let's see what we're all doing. Please come and join in. It is an open invitation collaboration. Now, this is being hosted by Deborah Cabasa Home Living and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Amen. Now, doesn't Michael's have so many amazing decor pieces? And their ornament section, I cannot wait for those ornaments to go on sale. They are almost remind me of Hobby Lobby. I have such a great time here. I could be in here all day, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Merry Christmas.